everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the detailed concept of divisibility by 7 with the help of these examples. And in the next coming video, we are going to discuss the many more divisibility tests like divisibility by 17, divisibility by 13, divisibility by 19 and so on. So, to get a notification of my next coming video, if you are the new on my channel, then must subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you will get a notification of my next coming video. And divisibility is very important to learn because when we are solving the aptitude type of question or competitive exam, then this divisibility test will help you to check quickly whether that number is divisible by any number or not. So let's start with this simple example. Here the first example is our number is 98. Is it divisible by 7? Think that number. So obviously in the mind you have to divide this number and then after that you will get the answer. But here in Vedic Maths you just break this number into the two parts. That last number you have to take and multiply by osculating number 5. So here 8 is the last number. From 98 we are dividing this number. So 8, that is our last number. Multiply this last number by 5 and add the remaining number. So remaining number here, if we are skip this 8, so remaining is 9. So 9 we have to add in the multiplication. So here 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. 40 plus of 9 is 49. Now it is very simple. You know that this 7 sevens are 49. So when this answer is divisible by 7, then we can say our original number is also divisible by 7. So here 49 is divisible by 7. That means here 98 is also divisible by 7. Now we discuss the next example. Here our next example is 1, 3, 5, 4. Now if we check this number, so 1, 3, 5, 4, it is a bigger number and it will be difficult to tell the answer whether this number is divisible by 7 or not orally. But with the help of Vedic Maths, you can find the answer quickly. Now here again break this number into the two parts. Here 1, 3, 5 is our first part and last number is 4. So here the last number always multiply by 5. When we check whether that number is divisible by 7 or not, always the last number multiply by 5. So this is called the osculating number in the 7. So for 9 it is a 1, for 19 it is 2, for 29 it is 3 and for other number it is different. But osculating number, how to find osculating number, that we are going to discuss in the coming video. So it will be easy to remember for every number. Now here 4 multiply by 5 and add this remaining part. So here remaining part is 135. Product of 4 and 5 is 20. 20 plus of 135, then answer become 155. As I am explaining, that's why it takes a time, but you can find this addition orally. Here 4 into 5 is 20, 20 plus this number is 155. Now next, here this number is again a large, so you can repeat this process. So here this 155, again break that number into the two parts. Here last number is 5, multiply that 5 by 5, add the remaining number. So remaining here it is a 15. So 5 into 5 is 25 plus of 15. If we take the addition, so here it is a 40. Is it 40 is divisible by 7? Of course not. So this number is not divisible by 7. Hence our original number 1354 is also not divisible by 7. You can check with the help of calculus or you can use our regular division process and check whether this 1354 is divisible by 7 or not. I hope it is clear. Now we say the next example. Here the number is 11088. You can try this example and then after that check whether your answer is correct or not. Again this number is very large but it is very simple. You just have to multiply last number by 8 and we know that 8 5s are 40. 40 plus of this number is 1148. Again 8 is the last number, multiply by 5 and add that. So it is very simple. Here our number you have to break into two parts. Here last number 8 multiply by 5 and add the remaining number into it. So here 8 multiplied by 5 is 40 plus of our remaining number. So that means addition is 1148. But again this number is large, so repeat the process. Last number in this result is 8 and remaining part is 114. So remaining part 114 we have to add in the multiplication of 8 into 5. So last number multiply by 5 plus of remaining number. Now here 8 into 5 is 40. So here 114 plus of 40. So it become a 154. So this is our first step, that you have to take the last number multiply by 5 plus of addition. If you know this is divisible by 7 or not, you can stop here. But this number is large, then again repeat the process. So that's why this is our second step. Here 114 are added in the multiplication of last number into 5. So our result become 154. Now it is easy to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14. So it is a 22 is a quotient. That means it is divisible by 7. So our number is divisible by 7. But you can repeat this process till we get the small number. So here this last number is 4 multiply by 5 and add the 15 into it. So here 15 I have taken and 4 multiply by 5. Now here 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 20 plus of 15 is 35. And we know that 7 5s is 35. So hence 35 is divisible by 7. That means 11028 is also divisible by 7. I hope it is clear to you. You can try this example and send your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.